All right, guys. So from here on out, we're going to be working with digital versions of the Attack the Text. So what I've done here is I've pulled up the one from chapter 2. You've already done this. You've probably taken a picture of the worksheet, the paper one. But I'm pulling up this one so you can kind of see because it's got the best mix of items here. So what you'll see on your screen in Google Classroom, it'll create a document for you. And it's really pretty simple. What I'm expecting is for you to fill in the pink boxes. So anything that's in pink, I expect you to fill in the text. So for example, this one, we have the making a prediction. You'll notice it's very much like the paper Attack the Text. I'm just kind of clarifying where things need to be filled in. So fill in the pink box with your prediction. Then when we get to the vocabulary, if I've added something for you, I'm not going to have it in pink. It's going to be with the white background. So for example, the word emblem, that's a word that I want you to look up. So you'll notice that it's in white here. And I even gave you the page number, and that's already in white here. Anything in pink, you're going to have to fill in. So I'd want the part of speech for the emblem. I'd want the definition or a synonym for it. And then since this is a vocabulary, I expect for you to fill in 3 more vocabulary terms. You're expected to have 4. The parts of speech for those, the definitions, and the page numbers. All right. When we get to the confusing moments, now this is any confusing or interesting moments. So if something wasn't confusing, point out something that was interesting. Maybe it's a moment, a phrase, an allusion. And then you're going to research them to explain their meaning. So it might require some Google searching. And then you're going to need to list the page number. Now I expect for you to have 3. I've given you 1 here so that I would expect for you to look up what they mean by Coventry. That's an allusion. Tell me what it means here, and then give me the page number, which I've done for you there. Since I've given you 1, I do expect 2 more. So you're going to give me 2 more examples, fill those in, and give me the page numbers there. Don't just tell me what was interesting. You need to look it up and figure out why, or explain why. If it was confusing, figure it out and then explain the meaning. If it was an allusion, tell me what it was referencing. You got to do more than just write down something that was confusing and leave it at that. All right. Your about statement. What was the chapter about? Sum it up. I do expect that to be at least 4 sentences long. If it is less than that, you are going to lose points on it. So make sure you're following that. Check the rubric to make sure what's expected for it. Details and evidence. This is where you're going to tell me details from the text that support what your about statement was about. Right. So make sure that you're doing that. Page numbers for that as well. All right. Areas of interest. In this case, I gave you 2, so you're going to tell me what was interesting about those. Otherwise, there'll be just those blanks for you to fill out and the page numbers there. Make your prediction, what's going to happen in the next chapter, what's coming up next, and then a question to ask, something that may get posted in a Flipgrid for the class to respond to. And then finally, pick a quote worth memorizing, list the page number for that, and then tell me why that quote was important. There you go. That's what I expect for the digital Attack the Text. Let me know if you have any questions about that. Just send me an email, and we'll take care of that. All right. There you go.